Hello grade 7 students, today I am going to discuss with you about the way of expressing improper fractions into mixed numbers. I think you can remember in our last video we discussed how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. So as we done in that last video, here also I am going to explain two methods. First we look at the method 1. Here I took one fraction. If you look at the numerator and the denominator here, you can see 12 is there in the numerator and 5 is in the denominator place. So if you compare these two, you know that the numerator is larger than the denominator here. So this represented improper fraction. So now we are going to convert this one into a mixed number. So you know mixed number consists of whole number part and as well as a fractional one. So to convert this one into a mixed number, you have to divide this fraction to set of fractions. So some fractions should represent whole numbers while the remainder should represent a fractional part. So to express this one as a whole number, you know that if you express this one as a fraction which having same numerator and the denominator, it represents value 1. So if you look at the denominator here, it is 5. Then we'll separate this one into fractions having both 5 in numerator and the denominator places. So 1 set 5 over 5, it represents value 1. So you can again divide this one into 5 over 5. Then total in the denominator, numerator is 10. Then another remainder is 2 there. Then 5, 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12 years. Now okay. Now you can add them up. You know the value represent this one fraction is 1. 5 over 5 is 1. So it's 1 and this one also 1 and the remainder you can add as a fraction. Now see, if you add these two whole numbers, it will give 2 and the fraction is 2 over 5. So we convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. We look at another example. 24 over 7. It's also an improper fraction. So to convert this into a mixed number, as we done in the previous example, we divide this one into fractions having the same value in the numerator and the denominator places. So to do that, you have to look at the denominator in the given fraction. So according to R1, it is 7 now. So we will separate them into set of fractions having 7 in the both numerator and the denominator. So 1 is 7 over 7, 7 over 7. Now 7 plus 7, 14. You have to add fractions until the sum of the numerator getting 24. So you have to add another 7. Now 21 is there. Then remainder is how much? 3 over 7. So if you express these ones as whole numbers, you know 7 over 7 represent 1 and this also 1 and 3 ones are there. The remainder is 3 over 7. So the mixed number is here 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over 7. Did you understand? Yes, it is very easy. Now we look at the method 2. So look at this example here. We are going to express 13 over 5 as a mixed number. So in the method 2, we are going to use the division method in order to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. You know that the line mentioned here represents a division operation. So we'll divide 13 by 5 first. So to do that, You can use the long division method. If you divide 13 by 5, you know there are 2 5s for 13. So 2 by 5 is 10. The remainder is 3. Now, after dividing this one in this manner, you can express this improper fraction as a mixed number using this quotient as the whole number in the mixed number while the remainder as the numerator in the mixed number. And you have to remember that the denominator will not be changed. So now we'll write the mixed number. Yes, here 2 is the quotient. It will comes as the whole number in the mixed number, and here 3 is the remainder. It will comes as the numerator in the mixed number, and 5 comes as it is. We'll take another example. Yes, 25 over 8. Again, it is an improper fraction. So let's divide it. 25 divide by 8. If you divide 25 by 8, you know there are 3 8s for 25. 3 into 8 is 24. The remainder is 1. So now you know that this quotient comes as the whole number here, and the remainder comes as the numerator here. Then the denominator comes as it is. So answer is 3 1 over 8. So did you understand this method? So you can select any method you like out of these two methods when you are converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Okay students, we'll meet from another video to discuss another part of it.